Hello, this is Dr. Kara, and today we're talking about something that could quietly steal your health while you sleep. Do you wake up feeling tired, toss and turn all night, or struggle just to fall asleep? If you're over 60, these aren't just annoying sleep problems. They could be warning signs of something far more serious, a silent stroke. No pain, no symptoms, but over time, silent strokes damage your memory, your balance, even your independence. Today, I'll show you the one sleep mistake that triggers this and 7 habits you must fix now to protect your brain. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a simple 3-step bedtime routine that could help prevent silent strokes starting tonight. Don't miss it.
Hello again, I'm Dr. Kara. If you're watching this, chances are you or someone you love is dealing with sleep problems, brain fog, or just not feeling quite like yourself. And I want to talk to you today about something that most people your age have never even heard of, yet it affects 1 in 4 adults over 65. They're called silent strokes, and they truly live up to their name. A silent stroke is a small blockage or tiny bleed in the brain. But unlike a major stroke, there's no slurred speech, no weakness in your arm, no sudden collapse. It happens quietly. And because it doesn't cause dramatic symptoms, most people don't even know it happened. But just because it's silent doesn't mean it's harmless. In fact, over time, these strokes accumulate damage in the brain, and that's where the real danger lies. You may start forgetting names more often. You may feel unsteady when you walk, or find it harder to focus, make decisions, or regulate your emotions. Many seniors have multiple silent strokes without ever realizing it. And unfortunately, this damage can mimic or even trigger dementia if left unchecked. The American Stroke Association tells us that these events are far more common than we think, and especially in people who are over 60, who have high blood pressure or sleep problems like snoring or waking up gasping. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you because knowledge is power, and the sooner we spot the risk, the sooner we can take action. In the next part of this video, I'll show you how silent strokes are linked to poor sleep and what simple changes you can make tonight to protect your brain. But before we go on, let me ask something important. If this message matters to you, please consider liking this video and sharing it with someone you care about, because the more we talk about this, the more seniors we can protect. Let's keep going. Your brain is worth it.
Now that we understand what silent strokes are and just how quietly they can damage the brain, let's talk about one of the most overlooked causes, something I see almost daily in my patients over 60. Sleep problems. And more specifically, something called sleep apnea. Now you might be thinking, oh, I just snore a bit. It's harmless. But the truth is, sleep apnea is far more than just snoring. It's the #1 undiagnosed sleep issue in seniors, and it's a major risk factor for silent strokes. Here's what happens. When you have sleep apnea, your airway partially or fully closes while you sleep. You might not even know it's happening, but your body does. Your brain suddenly wakes you up over and over again, sometimes hundreds of times a night, even if you don't fully realize it. That's called interrupted sleep, and over time, it wreaks havoc on your system. Every time you stop breathing for a few seconds, 2 dangerous things happen. Your blood pressure spikes, your brain gets less oxygen. Now think about this happening every single night for months or years. The result? Your blood vessels become stressed, small clots form, and eventually, this can lead to microvascular damage in your brain, the very kind we see in silent strokes. A recent study published in the Neurology Journal confirmed this link in a powerful way. It found that seniors with untreated sleep apnea were 3 times more likely to have signs of silent brain damage on their scans. 3 times! That's not a small risk. It's a serious warning. But here's the good news. Sleep apnea is treatable. And with the right steps, many seniors see dramatic improvements not only in sleep quality, but also in memory, focus, and overall brain health. What can you look for? Do you wake up gasping for air? Has anyone told you that you stop breathing while sleeping? Do you feel exhausted in the morning even after a full night's sleep? If you answered yes to any of these, talk to your doctor. A simple home sleep test can often detect the issue, and solutions like CPAP.
Now that we've talked about what silent strokes are and how sleep issues like apnea can increase your risk, let's go a step deeper. Because even without sleep apnea, there are everyday habits that many of my senior patients don't realize are quietly harming their brains at night. So, let's walk through 7 common sleep mistakes that may be increasing your risk of silent strokes, and more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake number 1, sleeping flat on your back. This might surprise you, but lying flat on your back while you sleep can actually worsen snoring and sleep apnea. Why? Because the tongue tends to fall backward, partially blocking the airway and reducing oxygen flow. And remember, low oxygen at night is one of the key triggers for those tiny silent strokes. Try this instead. Sleep on your side, preferably your left side. It promotes better breathing and puts less pressure on your heart. Mistake number 2, drinking alcohol before bed. Many people think a nightcap helps them sleep, but in truth, alcohol disrupts deep sleep, especially REM sleep, which is when the brain restores itself. It also causes blood pressure spikes, increases nighttime awakenings, and can even worsen breathing issues during sleep. My advice? If you enjoy a drink, try to have it 3 to 4 hours before bed and avoid alcohol as a sleep aid. Mistake number 3, eating heavy dinners after 8 p.m. Eating large meals late at night forces your body to digest instead of rest. It raises your blood sugar and activates the nervous system, just when your body should be winding down. Over time, this can disrupt sleep quality and even lead to unstable blood pressure, a stroke risk you don't want to invite. What to do? Try to finish your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime and keep it light if possible. Mistake number 4, ignoring nighttime bathroom trips. Frequent urination at night, also known as nocturia, is common with age. But here's the issue. Each time you get up, your sleep cycle is broken and your blood pressure rhythm is interrupted. Poor sleep quality at night equals poor vascular repair, which is crucial for stroke prevention. Simple fix: avoid drinking too many fluids after 7 p.m. and talk to your doctor if this becomes a nightly problem. Mistake number 5, taking sedatives without medical advice. Over-the-counter sleep aids, especially in seniors, can do more harm than good. Many of them cause shallow breathing or interfere with the natural sleep cycle. Important note: sedatives should only be taken under supervision. Never rely on them long-term. Mistake number 6, not treating snoring seriously. Snoring is often seen as just a nuisance, but in reality, it may be the only visible sign of sleep apnea, especially in seniors. If you snore loudly, wake up with a dry mouth, or feel groggy during the day, it's time to get screened. Please don't ignore it. It could be the early warning your brain is giving you. Mistake number 7, no routine sleep schedule. Your brain loves rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at different times each day confuses your body's internal clock, what we call the circadian rhythm. This rhythm is what triggers vascular repair during deep sleep. Without it, your brain doesn't get the cleanup and healing it needs each night. The solution? Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Your brain and body will thank you. Final words for this section. You don't need a perfect night's sleep, but you do need better habits, and that starts with small changes. Even fixing just one of these mistakes can help lower your stroke risk, improve your memory, and boost how you feel each day. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who may be making these same mistakes without even knowing it. In the next section, I'll show you how to build a simple nighttime routine that supports better sleep and better brain health starting tonight. Let me know when you're ready for the next section.
You've come this far with me, and I want to thank you for taking your health seriously. Because the truth is, sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's about keeping your brain sharp, your balance steady, and your independence strong. Now let's talk about what you can do, starting tonight, to improve your sleep and lower your risk of silent strokes. These are simple, senior-friendly habits that I've recommended for over 30 years, and I've seen them change lives. First, change your sleep position. If you typically sleep on your back, try switching to your side, especially your left side. This reduces pressure on your airway and improves breathing overnight. For many of my patients, this one change alone has helped reduce snoring, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. Second, check for sleep apnea. Do you snore loudly, wake up gasping for air, or feel exhausted during the day? These are signs of sleep apnea, which we've talked about as a serious stroke risk. Please don't brush it off. A simple home sleep study, often covered by insurance, can help identify it, and treatment options are easier than you think. Third, no screens 1 hour before bed. This one's tough in today's world, but it's important. TVs, phones, tablets, all of them emit blue light that tells your brain to stay awake. It blocks melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. Instead, try a calming routine. Read a book, dim the lights, listen to soft music or nature sounds. Fourth, make your bedroom cool and dark. The ideal sleep temperature for seniors is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Keep the room dark and quiet or use a white noise machine if needed. Your brain does its best healing work in this kind of environment. Fifth, try natural sleep aids, with caution. Before reaching for pills, consider gentle, natural supports, like melatonin supplements. Safe in small doses, but talk to your doctor first. Tart cherry juice naturally boosts melatonin and tastes great. Magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, and almonds help your muscles relax and promote restful sleep. Sixth, track your sleep. It doesn't have to be fancy. A simple notebook can help you spot patterns. What time you went to bed, how many times you woke up, what you ate or drank. Or if you're comfortable with technology, a basic sleep tracker can provide helpful insights. Lastly, treat underlying health issues. Poor sleep can be a symptom, not just a cause. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or take medications that affect sleep, talk to your doctor. These are all treatable. Final words for this section. Better sleep isn't just possible, it's within your reach, and every small change you make can lead to a clearer mind, a stronger body, and a healthier brain. You deserve rest that heals, not sleep that harms. Let's take this journey one night at a time.
Let me leave you with this. Silent strokes don't come with a warning. They don't cause pain. They don't make a big scene, but they do leave a mark. A mark on your memory, on your balance, on your independence. And for so many older adults, the gateway to these strokes opens quietly, at night, through sleep habits they never knew were dangerous. You see, sleep is not just about resting your body, it's about restoring your brain. When sleep is shallow, interrupted, or full of low oxygen, your brain can't heal, and over time, that can lead to damage that's hard to undo. So if you're over 60, I urge you, don't ignore sleep problems. Start small. Fix just one thing tonight. Maybe it's your sleep position, your bedtime, or finally getting that snoring checked out. If you wake up feeling exhausted, talk to your doctor about a simple sleep study. It might reveal something that could save your brain. And most importantly, remember, the goal isn't just to sleep longer, it's to sleep better and safer. Because protecting your sleep might just protect your brain. And I know from experience, these aren't just tips. These are tools that help people stay sharp, stay steady, and stay independent. That's what I want for you, and what I want for every senior who's doing their best to age with strength and clarity. So if you found today's video helpful, please take a moment to like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe if you'd like more simple, trusted health advice for your golden years. You deserve peace of mind, you deserve good sleep, and you deserve to feel in control of your health, one night at a time. I'm Dr. Kara. Thank you for being here with me. Take care of yourself and sleep well.